Hi, I'm Gigi Hollister.
And I'm Gigi Garrettson, and we're with Santa Ynez Valley Real Estate Company.
Welcome to 4086 East Oak Trail Road. We are truly excited to share this magnificent property with you. Come on in and you'll see.
Oh, let's go where nobody knows, and let the wind take us away. Wherever we go, I hope that you know that I'm gonna love you for all of my days. I spent my whole life calling you mine, and hoping someday I'd take you